got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
We just got to the butterfly farm in Aruba, close to Eagle Beach, and we're gonna check out some beautiful butterflies.
They are triggered by sunlight. Yes, if you come early in the morning, you might be able to see a butterfly be born. So this garden itself is about 35 years old, and there's at least about 500 to 900 butterflies in total flying all over this garden. Now you will find different kinds. It's a very common one. Now it looks like it has two heads if you look closely. It looks like it has antennas on each end. Now this over here is our chrysalis cage. We have chrysalis of all different shapes, sizes, and colors. For example, right over here, this is going to be the monarch chrysalis.
Oh, some gold around it.
Yeah, it looks like it's wearing a little bit of a crown. See it? It looks like a little crown. Now this is what we call the monarch. You can easily tell it's gonna be the monarch because it looks like it's wearing a crown. That's where they got the name from, the monarchy. Now all those butterflies you guys see in here are actually born this morning. They're all triggered by sunlight.
Okay, so we're at the butterfly farm. It is kind of cold in here, right?
Oh, it's quite hot, yeah.
It is so hot in here. But the butterflies are flying around. I'm having a hard time taking pictures of them because they're very active. They're just flying around.
Yeah, right now it's like about 10:30 in the morning, something like that. And they're supposed to be very mellow and relaxed and quiet about 3 p.m.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're not gonna be able to come back at that time.
We saw a couple of them emerge from their cocoon.
Oh, yes.
From their chrysalis.
Yes,
from
while
their,
we were getting the tour.
From their chrysalis
Yeah,
on the tour. The kids are tired because it's so hot, and I think they would rather be at the pool or in the ocean. So I think we're gonna go and jump in the water right now. How about that?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the tour was actually quite informative, and they explained almost everything: life cycle of the butterfly, how they lay the eggs, how they eat, how they behave, and the different species of butterflies, and that was quite awesome to watch, to listen to.
Yeah, it was cool. but the kids are tired.
Yeah, they're tired.
We're gonna go jump in the ocean.
Alrighty.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, Ninja.